In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp Android. This is a dynamic feature that adds a whole new dimension to your chatting experience, and I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, we need to ensure that your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. This is important because newer features like Meta AI are typically enabled with updates. So, head to the Google Play Store on your Android device, check if there's an update available for WhatsApp, and install it if needed. Once your app is up to date, open WhatsApp. On the chat list screen, start by locating the Meta AI icon. This will resemble a rainbow or purple-blue circle. And on Android, you'll find it positioned at the bottom right above the new chat icon. If you're not seeing it yet, double check that your app is indeed the most recent version. Now that you've spotted the Meta AI icon, go ahead and tap it. At this point, you will likely see a prompt asking you to read and accept the terms and conditions associated with using Meta AI. It's important to go through these terms to understand the guidelines and privacy policies you're agreeing to. Once you've carefully read through and accepted the terms, you're all set to interact with Meta AI. Now, you can start chatting with Meta AI as though it's a regular contact in your list. Whether you've got questions in mind, need some help, or even want to get creative, Meta AI is here to assist. For those moments when you're feeling artistically inspired, try harnessing Meta AI's image generation by typing in the command @imagine, followed by your creative prompt. This unique feature can be a fun way to visualize ideas, so let your imagination run wild. Additionally, if you're in a group chat and want to include Meta AI in the conversation, you can simply type @Meta AI, followed by your question or statement. This way, Meta AI responds directly in the group, ensuring everyone is included in the dynamic interaction. You can also select it from the @mention list if you prefer. And that's it. You now have access to the exciting capabilities of Meta AI right within your WhatsApp chats. This opens up new and creative ways to interact, whether you're exploring questions, seeking advice, or brainstorming visual content with friends. Enjoy the enhanced chatting experience. And as always, if you encounter any hiccups along the way, a quick revisit of these steps should help resolve most